fun way to make your own snack. Hello everyone! Welcome to my food factory. Yum, 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 yum. A little bread fudgy bar, and the bread, and the mini cookie hearts. I make shape, and a panda sal. I love it. Oh no, it broke. That makes me red. And it start hurts. Because I love you always. Too good. It's a heart prison. Yummy.
A heart prism, good job.
Heart prison. So yummy.
You cannot resist it.
Yummy.
More.
My bonding time for my mommy and daddy. Press the candy sound. Press the candy sound. Press the heart. This is my purple panda Zale. Look. Yummy with cheese. With cheese. It's so yummy. I don't want the peppermint. I don't want the peppermint. I don't want the peppermint. It's too spicy. Yeshua. This is good for your bone. Cheeseburger, please. Heart shape, star and circle, and square, and diamonds. And they are so pretty. They are yummy. Cheese. And Abraham. That's for our baon. Help me. Yeah. Hey. Let's go. I put mayonnaise. Hey. On here, let's make a heart. Happy. Cookie. Earring. What about all? Yes, as players. Yes, as players. cookie cutters. I got cake. Here's the finished product. Now let's give it to our customer. Come on, let's eat.
Can I have some?
You're the customer.
Thank you. I need the
Yummy.
purple bread.
Yummy. So yummy.
Looks good.
My bonding time for my mommy and daddy. I make my own snacks. I had fun today. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.